Fifth Third Bank versus Charles Schwab Bank. Which is better? Links to products and resources are in the description below. If you're choosing between Fifth Third Bank and Charles Schwab Bank, it comes down to traditional branch banking versus an investment-focused banking experience. Fifth Third Bank is a regional bank with over 1,000 branches and 40,000 plus fee-free ATMs, offering a full range of checking, savings, loans, credit cards, and business banking services. It's best for those who need in-person banking, small business solutions, and mortgage or auto loans. Fifth Third's Momentum Banking offers early direct deposits, no hidden fees, and overdraft protection, making it appealing for everyday banking. Charles Schwab Bank, on the other hand, is tailored for investors and frequent travelers. It operates as the banking arm of Charles Schwab, primarily offering a high-yield checking account and savings account with no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. One of Schwab's biggest advantages is its unlimited ATM fee reimbursements worldwide, making it ideal for international travelers and digital banking users. Unlike Fifth Third, Schwab does not have local branches for banking, but it does provide top-tier customer service online and over the phone. When comparing interest rates and fees, Schwab wins. Fifth Third's standard savings account has low interest rates, while Schwab offers a more competitive yield on deposits. However, Fifth Third has a wider range of financial products, including auto loans, personal loans, and small business banking, which Schwab does not provide. If you need a full-service bank with physical branches and lending options, Fifth Third is the better choice. But if you want free ATM access worldwide, integration with investment accounts, and a seamless online banking experience, Schwab is the stronger option. For business banking and local branch access, Fifth Third is better. But for frequent travelers, investors, and those who prefer online banking with low fees, Charles Schwab Bank is a standout choice. Choose based on whether you need branch banking and lending services or a global, investment-friendly banking experience.